Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Right now it's 10:36 p.m. So let's first look at the market since the holiday. So on Sunday, the market opened kind of like first is kind of like looks good, but pretty soon actually shortly after that it turned pretty downbeat and it went back down, went down here. This is a 53.13 level. Actually, the low here is a 53.12. And then if was able to find a bottom here and then coming back pretty strongly. And Monday basically is holiday and the market continue to chop around here. But once it get to like Monday afternoon, the future open and have all the desire to push higher here. And later, eventually, it kind of did that. And overnight, it's actually here is the future open. Sorry about that. But Monday actually end up being a pretty positive one. And interesting. So on Monday, which is yesterday evening, the future opened and it came down. It came down and got kind of stopped at this kind of like the mid level of Monday, and then it keep going here. So when it get to the open, you open around some kind of middle spot here of the future market, and then as we can see here is like here is where it open, and then it was not able to kind of stay above this first line deal. The first of all, the market sort of already kind of went up by more than 10 points, and it's right around this 53.15 and 34 level. It seems like nobody willing to go higher there, and it first kind of break this 53.13 level, and later keep coming down. It seems like it was not able to hold up and keep coming down and shifting it down and all the way to the middle spot of the previous run. So it found a bottom here, it come back and it come back to the middle, come back down again, come back to the middle and come back down again, and later push pretty hard and went back up to this green level. And as we can see, it seems like once it hit here, it tried to kind of this is a very strong line, and it keep kind of bouncing against off that line, and people kind of got kind of kicked back from there, and except it's making higher low, and eventually make through, and it came back down again, and then it's just stopping at this kind of finding the support at this middle level, and I think we all may feel like this is probably going to be going further up. However, it seems like it was not able to get over this level, 53.13. So it chopped around here a bit, and later eventually it broke down and hit this red line here again, and come back and hitting this mid level again. Eventually it was able to continue on to kind of keep kind of trying higher, so it tried lower. Well, in a way, we can say it's easier to go lower, so it pushed lower, it come back to this previous this red line here. It basically is keep kind of going down and go all the way to this is y by my measure is a 2x level on the downside here, anchoring the closing. So this is also corresponding to some important level on Friday. So you can see this red line level, and then it kind of keep coming back, get all the way back up to, and later was able to push it through this mid line. I mean, first this red line, and then this mid level, and it closed very strong. It's closed higher than Friday, so that's a pretty good positive sign, and being able to close at this 53.07. Well, yeah, it actually closed at 53.06 level. So now future had already opened and have been running for a while, and this seems like kind of repeating this kind of pattern. It opened pretty bearish, it's trying to come down here, and it's stopping here, and same thing on Friday. I'm curious whether this is something going on for a couple of days already, but it's kind of a recent new things. So Friday is like that, but market end up kind of only going higher, and last night was like this again, and market end up going higher overnight. And this is another one, maybe. My take is that this is a some important level here. Actually, this is sort of like the 1x level, and this is also the level kind of like somewhat comparable to, I mean, basically it's the low of the Friday. So apparently right now is not good sign. It went back, it broke below the low of Sunday. Now if we continue going down from here, then probably going to go down pretty hard, and that means possibly tomorrow going to be a gap down. That would be kind of crazy. So, but as we see, like today overall market is pretty positive, and despite up and down, and by the close it's still close a bit higher, and it's just a kind of a choppy area, choppy time, and this is same thing on this level. So as of right now, it's sitting this at this again this 1x level on future, and this is equivalent to this red level 52, 92, and 81 level. Yeah, it looks like it's going to crash down, but don't know. We should see. Yeah, in terms of market, it's kind of really in some sense pretty volatile, and seems like kind of bearish, at least from this futures open. Seems kind of bearish. Would this means the market topping out from the recent high? It could be, as we know that the run that last Thursday is kind of like a crazy. It gap up by 33 points, but it ended up kind of closing pretty much at the low of the day. It could be the market could be topping out from here, and today is another pretty volatile day. From the closing perspective, it seems still kind of positive. Maybe probably not really. I guess it could be kind of close to the top of the market. I don't know. I just based on all this information, that's something that came to me that it could be. So, but we don't know exactly, and I would say only thing that we can do is to control the risk, or say if you have some instrument that you could control your risk nicely. That's more important than worrying about going one side or the other side. And so let's quickly look at the calendar. So on Wednesday, the first thing is 7 o'clock about the mortgage data, and then it's 8:55. It's a red book year over year. Richmond Fed manufacturing index, shipment index, service index, and then 10:30 have the service index and from like dollars, and 11:30 as usual we have cherry auctions, 17-week and 2-year, and 1 o'clock have 7-year note auction. 1:45 is a speech from Fed Williams, and also 2 o'clock have Fed beige book. And then after the close is have the API crude oils inventory, and after the close also at 7 o'clock have the another speech from Fed Bostic. Likely tomorrow could chop another day or probably pick directions, and yeah, probably have to stuck here a little bit. Okay, that's all I would like to share. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.